Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to go through one of the basic parts of technical drawing, and that's lettering. And it involves how to write in technical drawing in GN drawing. Alright, so we are going to make a few assumptions and work with it. So with lettering, or in writing technical drawing, we have two lines or two types of lines: the continuous thick and the continuous thin. So let's give ourselves some few dimensions to work with. So let's assume this is a continuous thick line. Sorry, this is a continuous thick line. It's going to have a dimension of let's use 16, a height of 16, and this would be a continuous thin line. And let's use 12, height of 12, and this is where we are going to write basically. Yeah, all right, so let's begin. So we are going to begin by first drawing a horizontal line, the first one, which is the continuous thick line. Right, then we draw a vertical line at the end of it. Then we measure out the 16 and the 12 that we are going to use. Right, so we have 16 to be here. Midpoint of 16 is 8, so 8 is also here. Next, we have to pick out the 12 too. So 12, we have 12 too. 12 is also here. Right. So let me use this pencil for a bigger effect. Right, so you have this to be a continuous thick line. This would also be a continuous thick line. Then this would be a continuous thin line. I think it's too faint. Continuous thin line here. This will be a continuous thin line. Right, so this is what we have. We are going to fill this with the alphabet and with numbers. And in writing, you always write within the continuous thin lines. So we have A, we have B, we have C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. You realize is still within the continuous thin lines. The writing is still within the continuous thin lines. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, U, Right, so that's it for the lettering. This is for the alphabet. Now let's extend these lines and do same too for numbering. I'm going to extend this continuous stick line. Also extend this continuous stick line. Then I'll extend this. And also extend this. Right, so next one I'm going to do is for 1, 2, 3, as in from 0 to 9. Right, so we have still within the continuous 10 lines. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so this is how to properly letter in technical drawing, engineering drawing. Thank you. I'll see you in our next video.